Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So cutebee was kind enough to send me over one of their DIY book nook kits to try out, and you guys, I absolutely loved it. It's stunning. The quality is amazing, and I'm a puzzle girly, so this was really fun and relaxing for me to do. And by the way guys, this video is not sponsored. These are my actual thoughts on the product. They just sent it over, and they were also kind enough to let me do a giveaway for one of you guys so that you guys could try it out. And so I'll give you guys the info on that towards the end of the video. And they have a bunch of other like book nook kits on their website, which is cutebee.net, and I'll leave you guys their info down in the description box. And so today's video is going to be me putting together this specific book nook, and so yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so these are the things that should come inside your book nook kit. A package with the lights for the kit, the puzzle pieces, the little handbook that tells you how to put everything together, the glass cover, and the little sticker puzzle pieces. So these are all the little puzzle pieces that we're going to put together, and there are 349 pieces, and the runtime to make this book nook is about 8 hours. And before you start, make sure to check and see that the lights for your book nook work. If they don't, just contact customer service and they should send you working ones. Okay guys, so the rules for the giveaway are to like the video, be subscribed, and then comment down one of your favorite books from your childhood. And so for me, some of my favorite books were the Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark books because I love spooky things. And don't be shy about commenting. Even if you normally watch my videos and you don't comment, make sure to comment on this one because I want everyone to have a chance to win. And they told me shipping was worldwide, so anybody can enter. And I'll pick a winner within a week from this video when it goes up. And I'll give you 2 days, like I'll reply to the comment and I'll give you 2 days to get back to me. And if you don't get back to me within 2 days, I'll pick a different winner. And even if you don't win and you still want to try out one of these Book Nook kits, they did give me an affiliate discount code, and I'll leave the info down in the description box for that. And so yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!